If you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, it can sometimes feel like the algorithm hates you. But that's not really true. In fact, YouTube's 2026 algorithm change can actually help small creators, but only if you know how it works. In this video, I'll explain how the algorithm studies your content, and then I'll show you the main signals you can use to make it work in your favor. How the testing phases work. When you upload a new video, YouTube doesn't show it to millions of people right away. Instead, it puts your video through what's called a micro test. First, it shows the video to your core audience, which means your subscribers and the viewers that come back often. YouTube checks how they react. It looks at things like, do they click on it? Do they watch for a good amount of time? Do they like, comment, or engage? If the video does well, the algorithm then shows it to a secondary audience. These are people in your niche who watch similar videos but don't follow you yet. If the video performs well again, YouTube will show it to an even bigger audience. If it keeps passing these tests, the video can grow a lot, almost like a snowball that keeps getting bigger. But if your video fails one of these tests, YouTube will stop pushing it further. This happens to most videos. About 98% never make it past the third test. So it's not just luck or how many subscribers you have. It's about proving that your video deserves to be shown to more people. Signal number 1. Riding momentum. Most small creators don't know that YouTube sometimes gives your channel a temporary momentum boost. This happens when one of your videos does really well. If one of your videos gets a lot of views, good watch time, or strong engagement, the algorithm may treat your next upload more favorably. It's almost like getting a priority tag. So if you notice one of your videos is doing better than usual, you should keep posting and not let the momentum die. Signal number 2. Micro retargeting. With the new update, YouTube connects everything. Your long videos, shorts, and community posts. If someone watches your shorts or interacts with your polls or posts, YouTube may recommend your long videos to them too. To use this, you should post at least one short that relates to your long video. Add polls or community posts on the same topic. This creates a loop where new viewers can find you from more than one place. Signal number 3. Session. Chaining. YouTube wants people to watch video after video without leaving the platform, so it recommends videos that fit well together. If someone watches a big creator in your niche and then watches your video next and enjoys it, YouTube notices. It may start recommending your videos after theirs. To help with this, go to YouTube Studio, Analytics, Audience, and look at Channels Your Audience Watches. Videos your audience watches. Study the titles, thumbnails, and topics so your next video fits into those viewing patterns. Signal number 4. Timing and trends. Timing matters. YouTube constantly looks for videos that match current interests, like trending topics or seasonal events. If people are already searching for a topic, the algorithm will test your video faster. You should also post around 30 to 60 minutes before your viewers are most active, because the first 24 hours are very important for performance. Signal number 5. Topical authority. YouTube now sorts creators by what topic they specialize in. This is similar to niching down. If you post random topics all the time, YouTube doesn't know who your audience is supposed to be. But if you focus on one main topic and make many videos around it, YouTube starts to trust you. This makes it easier for YouTube to recommend your videos to the right audience. For example, if your niche is YouTube growth, you might make videos about titles, thumbnails, watch time, SEO, algorithm changes. The more videos you make around that one topic, the stronger your authority becomes and the more likely YouTube is to recommend you.